Let me show you how you can connect your DJI Osmo Action 6 into your TV so you can get this live streaming feature. So first of all, you will need to get this hub that will allows you to connect the HDMI cables into it, like in my case, and also the USB-C port that will allows you to actually connect this straight into your DJI camera. So on your DJI, you have to find this button, you have to move it to the right side, then move downwards, just like this. Now open it, and there we have to plug that hub. So it looks just like that. And now into this hub, you have to connect HDMI cable that is currently connected to your TV. So on your TV, you have to just simply find the HDMI input and plug it in just like that. Now you have to just connect your DJI camera, and we should get actually this information about live streaming. So you can select 4K or you can select Full HD. So now this is the last step. You have to grab your remote controller, click on the source button, and you have to switch into the HDMI port that you connect your hub and your DJI camera. So in my case, that's the HDMI first. And as you can see right now,